I love my new Ninja blender. I've had it a couple of months and use it every morning. Be sure that you line up the arrows on the lid and the handle. Then you're going to want to push down on the lid and handle to lock it into place. It'll take 2 hands for that. Then make sure the spout is closed. Use the power button and smoothie. Now the Auto IQ will go ahead and run this for about 2 minutes, and you'll get a kind of a chunky texture to start with. While it works, I'll show you how I use it each morning. I make breakfast for my family of 3. One likes his smoothies very smooth, and 2 like them chunky. I load it first full of easy to digest fruit. You saw that at the beginning. There were 6 bananas, 2 cups of frozen mango, 7 dates, and 3 cups of water. Sometimes I use coconut water. I rinse off an additional 2 cups of fresh berries for 2 serving bowls. You'll see that in a minute. After the first cycle is run, I run it again a couple more times to get it really smooth for my son. We like ours chunky, so I'll leave that. It's finished the first cycle already. That was super quick. So you're going to unlock and pour over fruit cereal bowls. And now here's how I have those. I have the berries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and I even cut up an extra banana. You're going to pour the smoothie over just like milk you would over cereal. And then you can eat it like that, or we sometimes add toppings. So today we'll put old-fashioned oatmeal, chopped pecans, and we like to sometimes use a drizzle of date syrup. Just gives it an extra little sweetness. And you ought to try the cinnamon powder on top. It just really makes it great.